Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to register for your car my account for the first time in 2025. This is your personal portal with the Canada Revenue Agency where you can check your tax returns, benefit, direct deposit information and much more. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you have to go to the website, opening a browser and going to the official car sites www.canada.ca / my car account. Here hit the enter button and go to the website. Here you can see this. Here scroll down and Government of Canada, all contract jobs, immigration of citizenship. Here all of there are a lot of features and instructions are here, and here you can see this: sign into your car account, sign in or register to access my account, my business account and represent a client, sign into your car account, and here you can see this: register for a car account. So once you are there, you will see two main options to register. Option one is sign in partner. Here you can see this uses your where you can use your bank login, and option 2 is car user ID and password. Well, focus on option 2, creating a car login from sketch. So here you can see this: register for a car account. Before you sign in, you can see this here: sign in on behalf of someone else. Do not use fulfill and participating sign in partners. So then click on share a login, then choose car registration. Here you can see this: register for a car account, documents verification service, passport option temporarily unavailable. Then here is the process. Follow the step, decide if you need to register, uh, if you have already registered for my account, my business account, or represent a client using a car user ID and password, or sign in partners. You can, and you here the option is given. Already you have registered, you can see this: user use your existing credential, and change the option you sign in with. Then access another account for the first time, business account, and represent a client. Then you go to the gather your documents. Here you can see this: when you register with a car user ID and password or sign in partners, you will need all the following steps. Here you can see your social insurance number. Say here, if you don't have a SIN, then your date of birth, then amounts of your report on your most recent tax return, which tax returns you. Here you can see this: the given is process. Then for fast access to your car account, you will also need a mobile device with a working camera and one of the following: your Canadian passports and your Canadian driver license, your provincial or territorial photo ID card. Then you can choose sign in option to register with. Then confirm your email security question. Here you can see this: verify your identity, choose submit a photo yourself. Here lot of process are here. You can check this and follow the process. Then go to the unlock full process. Car will mail you a security code. This usually arrives within 5 to 10 business days. Once you have received the letter, go back to www.canada.car/mycar account and log in using user ID and password. Enter the security code from the letters, and then you have now have fully access to all car service online. And optional, you have registered with sign in partners. Here you can see this: sign in partner. Choose your bank to click the sign in partners, and just wait. Choose your bank like RBC. Then here you can see BMO, or here you can see this BMO ATB Affinity. Here you can see this and choose login using your bank credential and complete the card registration promotes. You will still need a security code to gain full access. And that's it. You have now learned how to register for your car my account in 2025 for the very first time. Once set up, you will be able to track your taxes, update direct deposit, and view benefits payment and more, all online. And this helped, don't forget to subscribe the channel.